Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, it's James with The Chart Guys. It's Monday, April 10th. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. The natural gas is continuing bullish still. Bulls are still in control for now as long as this 80 MA is support and above the 20 MA here. As you can see, we've back tested, held, got close to a back test here, held, and looking for potentially another back test here with the 20 MA and the price starting to converge together here. So looks like we're rejecting the 4 EMA and holding the 80 MA. So that's the first test for the bulls and bears. The bears want to break of this 80 MA daily support, then to test this 20 MA and a break of that, which is held this whole time once regaining it. And natural gas bulls obviously want to see the breaks of these candle highs here at offering price resistance. We had a pretty big upper wick here, showing a lot of profit taking from the top. So tomorrow we'll look at the resistances of the high of today of 3.293, then 3.34, 3.37, and 3.347 are going to be your resistances. Supports, because of this big green candle, we're going to look at, let me see the price here. We got to the low of 3.228. Looks like these candles here are offering a little bit of support here. The highs that you can see, these highs of these candles here, which were previous resistance, just like here. Once we got above that, looks like we're still holding it at the close of this candle. We're holding these highs here, which is lining up with that 80 MA. So for now, it's a healthy pullback for natural gas here. If we lose the supports here, the next supports we're going to look at are obviously going to be the lows of these candles here. The low here of 3.121 will be support, and a break below today's low. We'll be looking at that area for support next. As far as the weekly goes, nat gas bulls look really good on the weekly. Again, we have closed above this 20 MA now on the weekly. TCG bull cross here. We do have some upper wicks here on the weekly candles of profit taking, which we don't want to see. So we could be hitting the top here possibly. We want to get above the high of this week of 3.293 and then close near the highs of this candle here of 3.347. We don't want these upper wicks here on closes. We want these nice closes at the top on the weekly, as you can see that we had on these candles here on the upward move. So for now, it looks like nat gas bulls are okay on this pullback, and we'll continue to look bullish on support tests and find entries at support tests. Again, look at the 20 MA potentially if we break below the low of today. And that, again, the low of today being 3.288. So with this 20 MA moving up. So I'll see you tomorrow and have a good night.